like to catch our creative friends in action. And today that means a chance to bust out a 2-hour project in just 2 minutes. So step into the Studio 5 Project Corner and put a fresh pop of color on your front door.
Hello, my name is Aubry Bennion and I am the owner of Hello Maple, and we are a crafting and party supply company, and we specialize in these fun felt balls. Today I'm going to show you how to make a felt ball wreath using a 12-inch wreath form and about 200 felt balls. The supplies needed for the wreath are super simple. You just need a hot glue gun, some hot glue sticks. This is the wreath form that you can get at any craft supply at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. It's about $5. And then felt balls. Like I said, about 200 felt balls. I sell them in packages of 50, so it takes 4 packages of felt balls. You'll start with one felt ball. They generally come in 5 different colors, and you don't have to be too mindful about any sort of order with the felt balls. And I just put a little drop of glue, and I put the first ball wherever you'd like. I hold it for a quick second to make sure that it stays without moving. Really, with so many colors on the wreath, you don't have to worry about matching colors or creating any sort of order. They really just look best when they're random. What you want to do is kind of clump them in groups of 3s, and you'll work in groups of 3s all over the wreath. Working in 3s helps you kind of keep pressure on them together. So you kind of push them close to each other. Make sure there's not really any white space between them. If you can see, they're about that far apart. If you can see on this one, I go about 2/3 of the way around the wreath. I like it to stay flat here on the back side so that when I put it on my door, it can stay flush against my door. This generally takes me about an hour and a half, or maybe close to 2 hours to get done, which is why I'm usually watching something great on Netflix. It's super simple, super mindless once you find your groove, but even better if you've got great friends to talk with. It's a great thing to pass the time with good conversation.
Okay, that wreath is as bright and happy as Aubry herself. I love that girl. Did you notice her crafting snack of choice? A Diet Coke. Nothing original there. Did you see her all pink bag of Starburst? That was so cute, spread out there with the happy felt balls. Anyway, best news, you can join in a felt ball wreath class tonight in downtown Salt Lake, so jump on it now if you want to go. The class starts at 6:30. Supplies and registration can be found through the artist's website, hellomaple.com.